Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the next session. Today I am going to teach about the entry of the US into the war. Earlier class I introduced about this topic. Why was USA entered into the war? Because it was afraid of the expansion of the communism in South Vietnam. That's why USA entered into the war. USA following the capitalist principles, Vietnam following the communist principles. That's why USA opposed Vietnam. Nowadays also you can observe the USA relation with communist China and communist Russia. From 1965 to 1974, war went on between USA and Vietnam. 34 lakhs of the US soldiers fought against Vietnam. Even though the US had advanced technology and good medical supplies, about 47,244 soldiers were died. 3,03,704 members of the soldiers were wounded. From this, 23,014 members of the soldiers became disabled persons according to the Veteran Administration report. In this war, USA followed the very cruel methods to suppress the Vietnamese soldiers. Thousands of US troops arrived equipped with heavy weapons and tanks. By that time, US Army consists of B-52 planes also. By using the B-52 planes, they were used the powerful bombs like napalm, Agent Orange and phosphorus bombs. What purpose they were used these bombs? Example, napalm is a deadly bomb which was used to damage the human beings intensively. Agent Orange is used to destroy the plants and trees and made the land barren for a long time. When the plants and trees were destroyed, it is not possible to hide the people. Then it is easy to kill the soldiers and civilians. That is the plan of the USA. Phosphorus bombs were used to destroy many villages and jungles. Due to these brutal measures followed by the USA, large number of people were died.